page 4 of your Unit 9 Ecology Study Guide. If an ecosystem was stripped to nothing but bare rock and was left to reestablish over time, what successions would you see? What type of plants would be present? Show a progression, blah, blah, blah. So bare rock, we know results is primary succession versus secondary succession, which occurs on pre-established soil. Bare rock can only come from glaciers or volcanoes. Here's what it looks like. You start off with your rock, little tiny non-vascular plants like mosses, and then your symbiotic relationship between a fungi and a bacteria like lichens are going to be the first species to establish themselves there. They're going to start to create a foundation of soil where small plants can grow, and then as the soil establishes itself and gets a little bit deeper, you'll be able to see root-bearing plants and shrubs, trees, medium trees, and then as you start to see larger trees, you know that you're in a climax community or one that is not susceptible to changes due to succession. Nitrogen is important to plants as part of the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen makes up about 70%, maybe 78% of the air that we breathe. Nitrogen is a molecule found in many components of living things, specifically DNA. Remember your nitrogenous bases. Nitrogen is important for plants to be able to grow, for amino acids to be able to be made. It's important. So the nitrogen cycle is something that we talk about in ecology. All right, so I can describe how ecosystems change in response to human and natural disturbances. So we talked about climate change a little bit with greenhouse gases over on page 3. All right, it creates a greenhouse effect on the planet. You've got your melting ice caps. Temperature changes in oceans are going to increase because the oceans and all the other bodies of water on our planet control the climate. The temperature changes are going to increase flooding, severe weather, and drought. Climate change is man-made. All right, why are non-native species bad? Because they kill native organisms and decrease biodiversity. What's up with pollution? It can alter and harm ecosystems. And wildfires are becoming an increasing issue due to drought, and this obviously destroys ecosystems. My suggestion for you while studying for this test would be to review the PowerPoints, review your vocab, go over the biogeochemical cycles videos, and just get your thoughts in order. The test is long and it's very wordy, so there's a lot of reading. But if you apply common sense and some of the things that you learned in this unit, I think you're going to find it to be pretty easy. So good luck, and ask me if you have any questions.